It's Monday, February 13th, 2023, and this is your Monday Mint Spotlight. Today we're going to be talking about a popular upcoming mint with a Web3 game called Netr1pp3r. It has a playable demo and a really strong community, so I'm looking forward to diving into this one. Hey there, what's up? My name's Goldie. Welcome to my channel. I bring you Solana NFT content that's educational, entertaining, and informational. And on Mondays, I talk about a popular upcoming mint as voted on the drop calendar on Magic Eden's upcoming launches. This week, we're going to be talking about Netr1pp3r. It's a Web3 game with a playable demo that looks like it has a bright future. But before we hop into it, as always, I want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies or NFT projects, and never be willing to put up more money than you can afford to lose. And secondly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, share it with a friend. I just crossed that all-important 1,000 subscriber mark, so I'm trying to get my watch hours up. So I'm open to any suggestions that you have about Solana NFT content that you'd like to see. So without any further ado, let's hop into this week's Monday Mint Spotlight, Netr1pp3rs. If you're new to the show, this is how I get to the projects I talk about. I go to Magic Eden, and on the left here, you'll see the drop calendar. I click on that, and then I filter by the number of upvotes as voted on by you. So we did the square pieces last week. They're still number one, but number two, Netr1pp3rs with a total upvote count of 4,783. The Netr1pp3rs have always been different from the others. They were able to anticipate the facts and take a strategic advantage at the most delicate moment, always being one step ahead. They formed a select group to prevent the power from falling into the wrong hands, with XXX individuals, each with unique and unmistakable characteristics. And as is the case with a lot of Solana NFT projects on Magic Eden, you have the opportunity to apply to get whitelisted. All you're going to have to do is connect your Solana wallet, log into your Magic Eden account, connect to Twitter, and connect to Discord. Hopping over to the website, it's really well done, and you can tell this is a very professional and experienced team. So this is on the landing page, and we're going to go through each one of the different pages on the website here right now. Netr1pp3rs is a cutting-edge deflationary collection of generative PFPs that will merge and evolve. So in terms of the deflationary system, it's a collection where the available supply decreases over time. This happens because holders get special incentives for merging. The direct consequence is an increase in scarcity and rarity. Speaking of that deflationary system, how does that work? Well, it's a collection where the available supply decreases over time. This happens because holders get special incentives for merging. The direct consequence is an increase in scarcity and rarity. There are different incentives and rewards. So to encourage adoption and reward holders for participating in the community, a series of benefits have been structured in association with this collection. As a Netr1pp3r holder, you will have early access to new CyberSky's products before they're publicly released. In addition, you may be eligible for special conditions and discounts. I did mention early in the video that this is a Web3 game, so this is where the real fun starts to come in with the project. Under the CyberSky's, we earn. So connect, unlock the full potential of your NFT collection by joining a gaming community where holders can explore collections and connect with like-minded players. Meet friends of your favorite collections and discover new ways to enjoy the game. Bring your community together and take your gaming to new heights with cooperative matches and challenges in CyberSky's. Connect with other holders and climb the ranks by challenging other communities. And here's the part I know we're all excited about, the earn part. Unlock new possibilities for earning rewards with the ability to create and customize your own pools in the platform. As a holder, compete for tokens, NFTs, whitelists, or just earn XP on the platform while having fun. And if you'd really like to sink your teeth into the ins and outs of this project, I'm going to have the link below for the CyberSky's Whitepaper. It really does a great job of including every bit of information that you could possibly want to know about this project. And like I always like to cover on my deep dives on projects, I always like to show you the whole picture. So here we are at the Twitter page for them. So it's 8,200 followers currently. They have right in the link how to get whitelisted. And what I really like about their Twitter is they're active in terms of providing you educational information about the project. You can see right here 2 hours ago how to get whitelisted. You see them doing Twitter Spaces, and I have a video that's pinned at the top of their timeline that I wanted to show you. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I thought that it was a cool way to show the professionalism and the excitement around this project. So now we're here in the Discord. As you can see, there are two ways to get into the Discord to have access to all the channels. One, if you have the secret code, you can enter it in the channel, enter password, or if you don't have the secret code, you can choose one of their tweets, like, retweet, tag 3 friends, then submit your proof in the channel. I thought that was a pretty unique way to gain access to all the channels in there, because if you want to be a part of this community, you got to earn it. I really like that. And as you can see on the left side of their Discord here, there are 8.35 thousand members in this Discord channel, which is definitely a sizable Discord group. They have the mint ETA and the mint price still up in the air, but obviously this project has gained a lot of momentum. So make sure that you follow them if you are interested in this project to learn about specific states when they're announced. And lastly, I wanted to show you what the actual gameplay looks like. This is live and playable. So all you gotta do, click the links in the description below to get to the game. And we're gonna do just one lap. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Oh, we blew up. Oh! All right, so I'm not very good. Obviously, I have a long way to go there, but you get the idea. It's a really cool game, and I'm looking forward to seeing the full version. And that's going to wrap it up for the Monday Mint Spotlight. So Net1ppers launching TBD, price TBD, but as you can see, they are well on their way to launching a very cool project that I'm excited about, and I think you Web3 gamers out there are really going to enjoy. So before I duck out, just kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, share it with a friend, retweet it, whatever you want to do. I put a lot of work and time and effort into this, so any interaction is greatly appreciated. So until next time, my name's Goldie. I'm here in Frisco, Texas, and this was your Monday Mint Spotlight. Thanks for watching.